Don't you ever knock?
You knew I was coming.
Yeah, but that don't mean I want you prancing up in here without knocking.
You won't be complaining when you hear what I have to tell you.
What's up?
Your NBA stock is what's up. I heard rumors. Teams are already freeing up cap space, getting ready to make serious offers. I got GMs and scouts I couldn't talk to in a million years reaching out to me. When off-season comes, we're just gonna be backing trucks up to the bank.
Yeah, that's all good.
Just one thing, just please, 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 be careful out there. Don't get hurt, or roll an ankle, or tear an ACL. God forbid it. We'd just be back to where we started.
Not those 3 letters, man. Never, never say that. It's like some voodoo stuff. Please, man, we never talk about injuries, man.
I'm so sorry. You just take care of your stuff on the court. I'll take care of business on my end. If everything goes right, we'll all be getting paid, okay?
All right, man, I'm gonna take care of my stuff on the court. No more talk about that stuff, though, man.
Hey. That's my meal ticket.
Well, that was an interesting scene. So that mean I can't wait for free agency. I'm gonna fucking leave the Magic. F this team.